So the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to convert from meters per second to miles per hour. And so you might see something like this. Let's say you ended up with a velocity of 10 meters per second, and you wanted to know, well, how many miles per hour is that? Well, the way you would do that is, first off, you're going to have some conversions. You're going to have to know how many meters, and in this case it's 1609 meters equals 1 mile. You're also going to have to know seconds to hours, and of course, hopefully you know that 3600 seconds equals 1 hour. In the process, using dimensional analysis that I would like for us to make sure that we know how to do would be as follows. The first thing you would do if you were doing this case right here, you start out with 10 meters per second. You write what you start with, and then you just multiply, and you got to make units cancel. So if we want to start out by making the meters cancel, we're going to put meters on bottom, and then we're going to put miles on top. And how do we know which numbers would go here, which numbers would go here? Well, that goes over to what is our conversion factors here. So 1 mile and 1609 meters. These have to be equal. The top has to be equal to the bottom. So what we have is, we have 1 mile equals 1609 meters. Now, as we're setting this up, I want you to make sure you go along, and since you have meters here and here, these guys can cancel each other out. You want to circle this, yeah, I've got the right unit here, which is the variable, which is miles. And so then we would continue on, again, another step. And now since we want to get seconds, rid of seconds, we could put seconds up here, and we want hours on the bottom. And again, we have to find what is our equality, what's our conversion. It's 3600 seconds is equal to 1 hour. So then we can make sure and show that our units are getting canceled. Seconds is getting canceled, seconds is getting canceled, and we're left with hours. And now, of course, if we multiply across to finish this up, we take this, times this, times this, times this. We're going to find that that equals 36,000 miles, just staying on there. And then if we divide that by then we do 1609 times 1 times hours. We end up with 1609 hours. If we actually do this calculation, we'll find that our final answer would be 22.37 miles per hour would be our answer. And so then that would, of course, could go up here. When you're doing this to show your work in units converting, this is what you need to do. What I'm really looking for is I'm really looking to see units getting circled and units getting canceled. This would be to get that full credit on this. I need to see units getting canceled and units getting circled. Thank you for that. Like and subscribe.